Hi guys, this is Aditya from Rapidbott. We have a new video for you today, which is about agent group chat and how you can utilize it for better communication within your team and keep your customers mode always efficient. So let's get started with the video. I'm currently logged into a workspace. You can sign up for a workspace with us by going to rapidbott.com, and you could just register for a workspace over there and you could get started with this. So let's get started with the video on this and how you can utilize this and what will be the general steps to create an agent group chat between your members and keeping the communication crisp. So if you already have a workspace with us and if you already have a bot, you would need to purchase this as an add-on, which is $5 per month. Currently, I do not have a bot setup or an omni-channel setup as such in this workspace, so I can just go ahead and create it like normally. Let me just reload. Okay, so when you would have this, you will have this button, enable agent group chat. So let's go ahead and click on this. Let's give this a name, group chat agents. So let's go ahead and create it. I can go ahead and open up my live chat over here. Okay, so let's see, we don't have another member in this. Let's go ahead and add members. We could give an image as well. Let's give this group name. Okay, to create a second group as well. This is our primary, which only has one agent. In the second one, we have multiple. You could also go ahead and click over this to see your existing chats as well. Oh my bad, there was already the other member in the group. So you could create it this way. In this case, we have created two. So let's just go ahead and delete this one and use the primary one. You could also prefer, if you want, you could add an image for easy identification and you could utilize it this way. So let's just update this. So let's talk about how you could utilize this in your use case. So suppose in this scenario, we do not have an existing live chat open from the customers. So let me just switch to other tab where I have another workspace open. So suppose you have gotten a message from a customer and you're unable to take over the chat for whatever reason, or you just want to share it as a sample or for communication between the agents and your team members. So you could always go ahead and copy the live chat URL and switch to the chat where you have your agents and members added. So let's go ahead and say, okay, hello, I am busy right now. Can you take over this chat? And I can mention the URL. So once you send over this message, another agent which gets the message, or whoever in the group gets the message, they can just click on this chat and it will take over them to that existing chat and they can just take over that particular part. Or you could just utilize this for sending multiple messages to your members or agents and utilize it that way. So let me go ahead and switch to other work, from another member perspective, so you can see how the message comes through. So this is the other member workspace that I've logged in. So let's go ahead to live chat and let's click on the agent group. So as you can see, this message has come over here. I can just quickly say, okay, hello, I can take this over and send that message back. And if I switch over to the other tab, see that message has come through over this. So this is how the members can also chat with each other. And if you would prefer, as a workspace owner, if you want to give some instructions to all the agents in the group, you could send them a message as well. Or if you want to create like multiple segregations, you could also create a new group, which would be anything. So just the agents or something like that. And like if you have multiple members, so whichever members you would want in that group, you could add them and create a segregation that way. So this is primarily the use case where you could easily use either for managing your existing live chats, just copy over the URL and send it over to users. Else, if you want to just forward up multiple messages within your organization for any use case, you could utilize it that perspective as well. So yeah, this was a short video on how you can use the agent group chat within your team members, and general steps on how to step it up or how to set that up. So yeah, that was primarily the video. If you guys have questions, please drop it in the comments below, and you can always visit our website for more information, reading information on our blog and everything. And you could just click on try Rapidbott free to sign up for a new workspace if you already haven't. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you have a good one. See you soon.